This video is about how to generate audio for voice calling flows. So if I should open the flow manager from the world option in the sidebar, we're gonna open anything specific flow for which you want to generate the audio. Now we can open any specific message for which we want to generate the audio. So the audio content will be taken from the text that is provided here. So if we will generate the audio now, it will say, "Hi there, what can I do for you?" And for generating the audio, we can click the button with lightning icon in the right, in this VoiceBot upload panel within this button, and it will generate the audio. The audio is now generated and that's it. We can save the message. That was one option, and there is one other option if you want to record your own audio. You can do that as well, so for that you can click this mic button, and now you can click the microphone here to start recording. And now you can speak whatever you want, and it will record. Now you can stop your recording from clicking the stop button, and the voice is recorded now, and the audio length is of 12 seconds. And for attaching this audio with this flow message, you can click the upload button. You can also download the audio generated as well. I will click the button and the audio link is saved in. And again we have to submit it, saving the message. That's it. And one more thing. Whenever we update the text message in the Flow editor, and we want that to be reflected in the generated audio as well, we have to regenerate the audio again every time we upgrade the text method. So for example, if I add some new content, have to regenerate the audio by using this button with lightning icon. The better audio is generated. And now we can save it by clicking on the submit button. And that's it.